This man was assembling his crockery when he saw an elephant in the shop. He stepped back suddenly, which caused a vase to fall. Luckily, the elephant caught it just in time and gave it back to him. When the elephant moved, it scared the man, so he quickly started packing his crockery into a box to avoid any damage. Suddenly, the elephant got frightened by a mouse print on one of the plates, so the man removed the plate, but behind it was a decoration of a mouse family, which scared the elephant even more, making it move wildly. Worried that his crockery would break, the man tried to calm the elephant and succeeded. When he opened the door, the elephant had already left and was in another shop. What would you do if an elephant was in your shop? Let us know in the comments.